guys, welcome back. Please watch part 1 and part 2 before you watch this one, otherwise you not understand the concepts that we are looking at in this tutorial. Right, what I was saying is this. I was saying whenever you are typing a formula, you must start with an equal sign, then the command follows and its arguments also follow. So here we are saying maximum, give us the maximum value that exists within the range which starts at B3 up to B9, of which B9 is this minimum, but we don't want to include this minimum, so we just click here so that we delete B9. So it's now showing that we are starting at B3. This column is showing us that it's a range which is starting from B3. If we select the last cell like that, now the range is selected. We can actually press enter on the keyboard like this. Now the maximum, which is 100, is now appearing in there. If we want to get the total, we just go to auto sum, we say sum, and now it's including minimum and maximum. We want to exclude that. The starting is that. Maybe let's delete everything inside the bracket so that we start from the opening curved bracket. So we select, we are having our blinking cursor within the curved bracket. We select the starting cell, and now we press shift and then colon, and then we click on the last cell, and then we press enter. The sum of these values is now this one. It's printed there. Now the average, we do the same. Click on average. We just remove that one. Average, we click that one, press enter, and this is the average. Here's another concept. We are having 51.33333. If we want to change that value to 2 decimal places or to 0 decimal places, we just right click, then click format cells. After clicking format cells, a window will appear, and to click on number, then on decimal places here, you just decrement it to 0 so that the value becomes a whole number. Now we are having 51 there. Alright, we are done with this one. Now we can actually write these simple formulas: calculating the maximum, getting the maximum, getting the minimum, calculating the total, calculating the average, given a range of values. If you click here, you see that the formula is appearing in the formula bar. If you want to edit the formula, you can just click in there and you start editing the formula. If you are done, press enter. You click there. You can actually double click, and what appears here is the hint, which shows you the syntax or the structure or just the way of writing the sum function. So this is minimum function that we write in there. I'm going to do that. Press enter. This is the minimum function, the maximum function, which is that one. We have our average function. Right, thank you very much guys for watching my videos. I will upload another video going deeper so that you can understand and become a guru in Excel in terms of formulas, navigating, working with charts, graphs, and other things. So if you don't want to miss any video, just subscribe. For you to subscribe, you don't need to pay anything. You just click on subscribe button, which appear at the bottom of this video that you are watching. Then you click on subscribe like this. For you to subscribe, you need to sign in. So if you do not have a Gmail account, just create a Gmail account, you sign in, and you click on subscribe. Thank you very much. Enjoy your time, enjoy your studies, enjoy your practices, enjoy everything that you are going to do after watching this video.